If you want to improve your writing skill with ChatGPT, this video will show you a simple step-by-step method you can use today. Whether you write emails, essays, captions, blog posts, or even scripts like this one, ChatGPT can help you improve faster, write more clearly, and learn what makes good writing actually work. The key is not to use AI to replace your writing, but to use it as a tool that helps you become a better writer. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI guides. Let's get into it. The first step is to write your own draft. This part is really important. Before you even open ChatGPT, start by writing the content yourself. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Just get your ideas out on the page. The goal here is to practice thinking, organizing, and expressing your thoughts in your own voice. You can write a rough paragraph, a short article, a message, or anything you want to improve. Once you have your draft ready, then open ChatGPT. Now here's why this matters. A lot of people make the mistake of asking AI to do all the writing for them from scratch every single time. That can save time, but it does not help you grow as a writer. If you want to improve your writing skill, you need to stay involved in the process. Your draft gives ChatGPT something to work with, and it also gives you something to learn from. The more you practice writing first, the better your own skills will become. The second step is to ask ChatGPT for improvement. Copy your text, paste it into ChatGPT, and use a prompt like, "Improve this writing and make it professional." That simple instruction can give you a much cleaner, stronger version of your content. You can also be more specific depending on your goal. For example, you might ask ChatGPT to make it more formal, more natural, easier to understand, or more persuasive. The more clearly you explain what you need, the better the result will be. Once ChatGPT gives you the improved version, do not just accept it and move on. This is where the real learning starts. The third step is to compare your original version with the improved version. Read both side by side and pay attention to what changed. Look at the words ChatGPT used, the way the sentences were structured, and how the ideas were organized. You will usually notice better word choice, clearer sentences, smoother flow, and a more professional structure. This comparison is one of the best ways to improve your writing skill over time. Instead of just copying the final version, ask yourself why the new version sounds better. Did ChatGPT remove repeated words? Did it make the sentence shorter and clearer? Did it add a stronger opening or a better ending? When you study these changes, you begin to understand what makes writing effective. That's how you train yourself to write better on your own. The fourth step is to practice and refine. Do not stop at one prompt. Keep experimenting with different instructions. Ask ChatGPT to make it more engaging. Ask it to simplify the text. Ask it to add examples. Ask it to make the tone more friendly, more professional, or more convincing. Each time you do this, you learn something new about style, clarity, and communication. This is where ChatGPT becomes more than just a writing tool. It becomes a writing coach. You can use it to test different versions of the same idea and see how small changes affect the final result. Over time, this helps you build stronger instincts for writing. You start noticing what sounds natural, what feels too wordy, and what keeps the reader interested. A great habit is to practice this every day. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Write a short paragraph, improve it with ChatGPT, study the changes, and then try again with a new topic. The more consistent you are, the faster you will improve. Writing is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with repetition. So remember the simple formula. First, write your own draft. Second, ask ChatGPT to improve it. Third, compare the two versions and learn from the differences. And fourth, keep practicing with prompts like, "Make it more engaging," "Simplify this text," and add examples. If you follow this process regularly, you will not only get better writing from ChatGPT, you will become a better writer yourself. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. And if you want, you can also comment below and I can help you turn your own draft into a better version using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.